Is it on?
Yeah,
Okay.
we're on.
I didn't see any light or anything. This is Red-Haired Boy, which is a wonderful crossover tune from Celtic circles to old-timey circles. And it's fun to play in a clawhammer style. It's also known as the Little Beggar Man, and there's some wonderful words that are really fast. So it's kind of acrobatic if you learn all the words and you sing them. And this is a tune I play pretty fast, and it's also in what I would call a melodic style of clawhammer playing versus the southern rhythmic style. When I play this version of this tune on the clawhammer style banjo, I'm definitely reflecting a more northern, northeast United States style. I'm not using my thumb as much, and it's not as rhythmic. Like here's an example of something rhythmic, a little bit of June Apple. I'll play the B part now. So that's kind of rhythmic, that's kind of hard driving. Now watch when I play Red-Haired Boy. So I'm playing a lot more notes, and it's got a slightly daintier feel to it. And there are times I'm playing less thumb, or I'm doing more double thumbing, so there's a lot more notes going on. I'll try to play that a little slower. That's a tough one to play slowly. Play it one more time through. This is A, A, B, B. Here's the first A. Second B, second A, excuse me.